Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how one of my students did well over $20,000 in the last 90 days. So she started the training with me back in 2020, and right now the channel is making at least like $6,000 to $7,000 every single month. So let's dive in and let's look at the numbers. So before you dive in, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you leave a like and a comment on this video because I'll be answering all your questions. And do leave a like on this video guys because it can really help me grow on YouTube. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel because this is the channel where we talk about how to make money online, how to do YouTube, how to do Facebook ads. So let's dive in and let's look at the numbers. You can see here, this is the YouTube channel I was talking about, and you can see the numbers here in the last 90 days. This YouTube channel made well over $21,731. So in lifetime, this YouTube channel did well over $30,000, like $32,000. So let's look at the numbers. So if I click estimated revenue, so you can see here, so it's consistently making around like $100 to $200 every single day. So that's around like $6,000 every single month. So let's also look at the other numbers on how many subscribers it has and how many views it gets per day. So you can see here, on total it has like 12,900 subscribers, and on views it has like 18,000 views every 48 hours. Which means 9,000 views every single day. So that's all you need to make like $100 to $200 on this particular niche, because the niches I work is always on high CPM niches because they pay very well compared to other niches. Because all you need is like 10,000 views to make $100 to $200 every single day. Because on other niches, for example, gaming or sports niche, you need to get like 100,000 views every single day to make $100. So you can see the numbers here. It made $242 on February 7th. So let me go back to views. So you can see right on February 7th, it only got like 9,900 views. So it consistently making $200 for every 10,000 views. So that's the concept. Because of the CPM, you get paid a lot of money. Even in Adsense, I was getting around like $2 to $3 per click on Adsense because I only work on high CPM niches, because you don't have to send a lot of traffic, but still you can make a lot of money. So that's the reason. So you can't fake these numbers, guys. These are real numbers, because when I move to other tabs, the numbers won't change if it's a fake numbers, right? So you can see here, like these are not some fake numbers. Let me also refresh the screen to make sure that it's not some inspect element or Photoshop image. So let me refresh it so you can see the numbers, and even the numbers like these, they update every single second. So you can see right in the last 48 hours, it's around like 18,710. So like every 2 seconds it goes back and forth. So you can see it's 709 right now. So these are real numbers. So you can see here like it's updating live. So like you can't fake these. Even you do inspect element. Let's also look at other numbers, because I don't just want to show you the revenue part. I also want to show you how much audience retention this YouTube channel has and how much subscribers it gained in the last 28 days. So let's also look at those numbers. So let me go to the reach section. So you can see here in the last 90 days, it got around like 6.7 million impression, and the CTR is around 7.5. So if you want to be really successful on YouTube, then your CTR should be around like 6+. And it also depends on the niche you're working on, because on some niches you can easily go viral with like 5% CTR, like mostly like gaming niches, like kid niches. But in this particular niche, we need 6+ in CTR. That's the reason this YouTube channel is performing really well. So you can see right. So we consistently maintain around like 7 to 8% on this particular channel. So that's the reason this YouTube channel is really performing well for this student. And you can also see the views, like they got around like 900,000 views, almost 1 million views in the last 90 days, guys. So let's take a look at the traffic source on this YouTube channel. So you can see here, so most of the views are coming from the browse feature. So you can see the numbers here, right? So it's around like 52% of the entire views came from, almost 400,000 views came from browse feature. And only 17% came from the community tab, that's channel page, and suggested videos is around 8.3, and so you can look at the search, right? We're having like 5.5%, guys. So you don't need to rank your videos to get a lot of views, guys. You can also get views from other traffic sources like browse features, suggested videos, channel pages. So ranking for high keywords or ranking for low competition keywords, all those research, you don't need to do that to get a lot of views. So you can see the numbers here, like these numbers, you can't fake these numbers, guys. You can clearly see the numbers, like majority of the views are coming from browse feature. So YouTube always look at the content you make, not the keywords you have. So the content quality is very, very important. So that's what we teach inside the training. So if you guys are interested, just send me a DM on Facebook. I'll send you the details on how you can join. So this is not some overnight success thing. It will take some time and it will take a lot of hard work to reach this point. So you can see the numbers here, right? So this particular student is consistently publishing like 2 videos every single day to hit these numbers. So if you think you can do it, just send me a message on Facebook, guys. I'll send you the details on how you can join the training. So it's going to be a paid training for a month. I'll give you the niche. I'll also show you one of the channel I have and you can also look at the numbers. You can also look at those analytical numbers. So it's going to be a live one-on-one Skype calls. So it's not going to be a group coaching. It's a private coaching, one-on-one coaching. So if you're interested, send me a message. So let's dive in and let's look at the other numbers. So let's also look at where we're getting our views from. So you can see it, right? So on the total, 36% we're getting it from United States, and 7.5 from India, 6.9 from United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. There's a reason why YouTube is paying like 40-50 bucks per 1,000 views, because most of the views are coming from United States, guys. Because when you target Tier 1 country, mostly people from Tier 1 country will get you a lot of high CPM on your YouTube channel. So that's the reason a lot of channels make videos in English, and they also try to reach United States or United Kingdom. So those people have a higher CPM audience. So you can see here, so most of the audience are females, and males is around 46%. So let's also look at the audience on this YouTube channel. So you can see it, right? So 35 to 54 is the major audience on this YouTube channel, almost 50%. That's the reason YouTube is paying very high CPM on this YouTube channel, guys. Because when you have kids watching your videos like 13 to 18, 20, then YouTube don't pay you a lot of money, because advertisers, they don't target those people. But when it compared to 25 plus to like 65 plus, YouTube pays a lot of money for them, because advertisers pay YouTube to run their ads in front of these audience. Because these audience are real buyers, because they make money, so they can also purchase, and they can also like subscribe to something else, because that's the reason YouTube is targeting these people to sell a lot of stuff. So in exchange, we get paid from YouTube, like almost like 55% of the entire revenue is paid to YouTubers. So other 45 is YouTube's cuts from the revenue. So let's look at the CPM on this channel. So you can see so the CPM is around 40 bucks. So it fluctuates a lot. So you can see, right, it's around like 43 on Feb, and it went down to 35 on Feb 4th. So it's also dependent on the consistency, on how much videos you make, and how often you publish on this channel. So you can see the difference, like some days it went down to like $31. So these are some dips, like $28, so like 40 bucks. So we can also see the biggest numbers, like you can see, right, $57. That's the massive peak on this YouTube channel on the CPM level. So RPM is what we get paid for 1,000 views. So all you need is like 10,000 views with this RPM, like to make $240. So that's how it happened on this YouTube channel, is making around like 21,000 in a million views. So you can see, right, so 2,400, and let me also show you the monthly revenue. So you can see, like on September it made $1,400. On October, this channel made around like $1,900. And in November, because during Q4 YouTube will really push your content a lot, so you can see the numbers, because they started publishing 2 videos every single day. So that's the result. So like November it made 7,000, and December it made 8,000. Right now it's consistent 6,000 to 7,000 every single month, guys. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comments below. I'll be answering all your questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.